Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Alright, today we're making no-cook pizza sauce. Here we go. First, we're going to put our tomatoes in a medium-sized bowl. Then we're going to add our olive oil, garlic, kosher salt, sugar, and dried oregano. Then we're going to stir that up. And you can store that in a mason jar. Put that in the fridge until ready to use. So there you have it, no-cook pizza sauce. Enjoy! The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.